Hi, today I want to show you the DENT Gigastore. Using eSIM technology, DENT Gigastore allows you to resell mobile data to your customers. Let me show you how it works. So let's start with the dashboard. You see here your revenue and sales. We have an inventory. So here you can see how many gigabytes, packages or megabyte package you own. You can buy more data here to stock up your inventory. And then you can sell your inventory using the sales channels. We have the point of sale store here. Let me show you how it works. Let's say you are in a hotel. You can start using this system here to sell 1 gigabyte in this example to your customers. One of your tourists come along, says I want 1 gigabyte, you select it, you collect the payment, for example in cash, you confirm the payment, you can enter a note here, for example a room number, you click sell it now, and you get a link where you can print out or show to the customer directly the QR code. The customer can scan it with his eSIM capable device and can use the mobile data instantly. So, and then we have the sale history. Here you can see what happened in the last days. You see the 14.99 sale we just did. And you also see the room number and some information regarding the profile. That's how the Gigastore works.